Hello everyone. In this tutorial shows how to create an organizational chart in Microsoft Word. It helps you visually represent team structure, hierarchy and reporting relationships in a clear and professional way. So let's begin. First open your Word document, then go to Insert tab, SmartArt, Hierarchy, Organizational Chart. Okay. Increase or decrease to this shape size and move. Okay, then type text, increase or decrease to this text size, double click for selected text. Okay, and apply the same process. Simply on add shapes for employee or manager. Right click on your mouse, add shape. Add shape after, add shape before. Choose your shape element. Example, add shape after. Change to this shape color. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.